You know, I tell the story about how when I was new in real estate, I failed for 5 years. And it was because the training in the real estate industry was so bad. So I noticed something about people's kids. You know, they send their kid to a public school, and I'll say, how do you think your school is? And they go, oh, it's great. And the truth is, it's horrible. How do I know that? Because I went to a public school. I got a horrible education. I sent my daughter to a private school, very expensive. She got a great education. But if you're mired in the real estate industry, you think all the stuff you hear, you think, oh, it's great, I get a lot of training. Well, why is the failure rate so astronomically high? It's because they teach you to do things that are crazy, insane, you should never do. For example, one of the #1 causes of real estate agents getting into real estate and failing out these days is they get on a team. Now, the team leader of the team didn't get successful by being on somebody else's team, did they? Of course not. And then what do they have you do? They have you cold calling buyer leads. If I said to my coaching students, hey, we're going to switch gears, we're going to have everybody start cold calling buyer leads, the laughing would never end. It's the most insanely stupid idea I've ever heard of in my life. So let's say you're on a team and you're failing, or you're earning less than your full worth in real estate. What I would like for you to do is go to fearlessagent.com, up in the banner, go to the right, click on our webinar, watch the webinar, and then give me a call at 480-385-8810. That's my cell phone. We'll have a quick conversation just to see if Fearless Agent would be a good fit for you. If it is, you'll get rich. If it's not, I'll admit it, you'll admit it. I'm still happy to help you in any other ways I might be able to. Subscribe to our podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. Subscribe here at fearlessagent.tv for all our videos. And then if you're an owner of a real estate company and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com, watch my video, and then give me a call. But no matter what happens, we want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.